What if you could make money online without creating a product, without customer support, and without showing your face? Affiliate marketing is one of the most beginner-friendly online income models, but almost everyone fails because they skip one critical step. In this video, I'll show you exactly how affiliate marketing works, why most people fail, and how to do it the right way. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product using a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, sometimes recurring. The reason affiliate marketing works is simple. You don't create the product. You don't handle payments. You don't deal with customer support. The company does all of that. You focus on traffic and strategy. Here's where most beginners fail. They promote random products with no system. No funnel, no follow-up, no trust. That's why they quit. Here's the exact system that works. Step 1. Choose one profitable niche like money, health, or relationships. Step 2. Select a proven affiliate product with real demand and strong testimonials. Step 3. Create content that solves one problem and leads to one action. Step 4. Send people to a simple page that gives value first, then shows the offer. This works because most people don't buy immediately. When you capture emails or give free value first, you build trust, and trust converts. You don't need experience. You don't need a big following. You don't need to be an expert. You need a system and consistency. Every day, people are starting affiliate marketing the right way and seeing results, not overnight but consistently. If you want free access to a proven affiliate marketing system with step-by-step training and tools, get free access. Click the link below this video or in my bio.